Alright guys, Jake here with the TW200 and I got 30mm bar risers. As you can see here, oh, and Joey, what's up? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so he's helping me out in the garage. I have Pro Taper, well, bar and Pro Taper risers, as you can see, but they really don't rise it up enough, I guess. I'll show you kind of a comparison before and after here. So if I stand up fully, I'm kind of, you can see it, I'm hunched forward. So I'm trying to get that eliminated because it's kind of annoying. It feels like I'm gonna like fall over the handlebars. So we're trying to address that, and hopefully just a couple millimeters might help alleviate that, or push the bars back, or we'll see the geometry of it all. But maybe I'm thinking maybe even running both the risers. I don't even know if that's safe to do, but we'll see. So yeah, let's start taking these apart and we'll put these new ones on. So first thing up, we got the 10mm socket here, and we're just gonna loosen this up. All right, so what's kind of cool is the Pro Taper ones are offset from the actual holes on the triple tree here. So those get hex nuts, Allen keys down in there. So really, I think I might be able to actually run both right on top of each other, because I have a feeling that I'm gonna need more than just that little bit extra. Well, actually, that's quite a bit different riser, but I think let's just try this, see how that works. See if the cables are all long enough and stuff. So this is gonna get bolted into here. I'll put blue thread locker in this and run the bolts that come with this in here. So we'll see. Okay, just so you guys know, it's a H6 Allen key, and I figure I might as well just double check and make sure. All right, here's it back all assembled. You can see I have the Pro Taper top and the Pro Taper bottom, and then I have a Tusk 30mm riser in the middle. And I don't know. It might be pretty good. We'll see. I'll take it all back out and Loctite it all if I like it, but we'll see. So if I stand up fully, I'm kind of... Guys, that's way better. Yes. That's the comfortable feeling that I was waiting for. Now, I don't recommend running the two spacers like this. It's probably fine because I mean they're all like the same rated bolts and it's all bolted together. So if you know something I don't, definitely put a comment in and warn me if I'm gonna die or not.
Gripping those handlebars, trying hard to get away from the bike. And there you see him tumbling away. But
I don't know, this seems perfect. Like, I'm so happy. Yeah, let's see what it looks like with the pad on here. All right, I got the Subdued Black Pro Taper pad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ride it up the street and see how it feels. It looked like I was able to just move everything up, and it really, the clutch cable got a little tighter, but I mean, as you see, it still has like 2 inches of slack, so. Like, even the throttle cable has plenty slack. Turns all the way. So, yeah, I'm gonna take it up the street and see how it feels. Yeah, that was the install of the 30mm Tusk bar risers. And I have it doubled up on the Pro Taper risers. Ever since I got the bike, it was just bugging me. I felt like I was gonna fall over the front handlebars no matter what, especially if I was coming up to an obstacle, like a down tree or something. It's kind of affecting my videos even. A lot of people were commenting like, oh, you need to look up more, but when I'm standing up, I was hunched over, so the GoPro or my camera would be facing the ground instead of up straight where I was looking. So we'll catch you next time. Hopefully we get some warm weather. You can see how muddy this bike got on that muddy ride I took, where everybody said I didn't know how to drive, but I would like to see other people driving a foot deep of mud with road tires, Enduro road tires. Chances are most of you can't, so keep your comments to yourself if you don't know what you're talking about. Next warm day, I'm thinking we're probably going to go for a ride because I've just got the itch. It's winter and I'm getting cabin fever like everybody. So we'll catch you next time. Say bye, Joey.
Bye.